If you've ever wondering what would be a crazy funky career to get into, go check videos of a regular day for a Foley artist. Sound effects lets you experience the created animated world through your ears. You get to feel that interaction of the characters with the environment and even the subtle ways the world sounds. This will make your audience really immerse themselves in and live with your characters. Remember, this is an imaginary animated world that you built from your mind. It's time to really precise how this world feels like, all the way down to what the sound your shoes make when you step on the ground. Every little bit of sound tells a story, and this is your story to tell. Speaking of which, hi, I'm Jeff, and these are my notes on making animated videos. If you like these, please go click that subscribe button, please. I really appreciate it. Thanks. I personally haven't hired a Foley artist to make sound effects with, to be honest. I feel it's going to take out too much money from me if I invest in this. Some music composers also do try to expand towards making sound effects as well, as it's best that they mix their background music along with the sound. So try that avenue and see if your musician could do that too. You can also try to do this yourself. You can buy a pack of pre-made sound effects and Foley audio on the internet. Try checking out game developer marketplaces. Game designers rely heavily on sound effects to make their game more immersive. It's something that we animators share with them. I usually add the sound effects directly in the editing software. You can put this in your animatic, so you have a feel for the timing you want when the sounds come up. But remember, you have to readjust them again after your animation is completed, so it matches with the final images. One more thing to consider. Light is faster than sound. Okay, I know it's a weird thing to remind you of. Basically, your images have to come first, before the sound. So, when you're putting the sound effects in your editor, make sure that the sound files are a few microseconds later than the image of the sound source. The punch hit happens first, then the punch sound gets heard after. It will take some time to get used to this, but I know you could do it. You got this, buddy.